This is the second project of the CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. The specification, first one is models. Our application should have at least 3 models in addition to the user model. We log in Django admin and see in options we have 3 models in addition to the user model.
I didn't get that.
And the second one is the create listing. Users should be able to visit the page to create new listing. We go to the create listing page and specify title, description, starting bid, and image URL. Choose the category and we create. It will route us to the detail page. So after we create, we can see active listing page. So it will show some title, description, price, and photo in the active listing page. So we go here, we can see active listings is Harvard with some description and price here. The next one is listing page. Click on a listing should take the users to a page specific to that listing, including the watchlist function and bid function, and also we can close the deal and do some comments. So when we click on the Harvard or we go from details, we can add to watch list or remove from watch list. If we add to watch list and go to watch list, we will actually see the Harvard there. If we remove it, there's nothing in the watch list. Here we can add more bid and place the bid so it will update the current price. We can bid more and we can comment hello, and rating is 19 and submit. So we will see the comments under the comments section. We can also close the deal. If we close the deal, we can see that there is an indicator showing the item action is closed and who's the winner. If we close the deal in active listings, we cannot see our Harvard because it has been closed. The next one is watch list. I have already shown the watch list. And categories, we can see a listing of categories and click on each one of them. It will just displays only the active listings in that category. Let me create one more. Create one more listing. Whatever. And category, now I go for fashion, create. So if I go to categories, I click on motors, there's nothing in motors, so nothing. If I click on fashion, it will show the Carnegie Mellon because it is under category fashion. The next one is Django admin interface. We can go to Django admin and to view, edit, delete, or add new things. So we can see that we can delete our Harvard listing, or we can even we can add a bid to our Carnegie Mellon University. Bidder is me. And then we change our current price to 600 and save it. So watch this is me, and then it's updated. So if I go to the Carnegie Mellon University again, we will see the bid is outdated.